Welcome everyone, in front of me I have the Kindle Scribe with the premium pen. This is the 16 gig model. If you do want to save some money, you want to get the regular pen, that just doesn't have the eraser or this extra button here, but of course can still take notes. So the back here, we have this little pull tab to pull off. I will also unbox the case, which was weirdly expensive, £100 for a case, even Apple. An Apple doesn't do that, but oh well, it is what it is. So we can just pull out, and we have the Scribe itself. Now I am an iPad user, so I'm used to a device like this. My iPad Pro is 11 inches, so I'm assuming this is going to be smaller. So not by, apparently I'm not great at opening packages. So actually, it's not even my fault. This is they want you to rip this plastic, honestly. You have to use your nails to get out that. Yeah, no way that's happening. So we'll just go like this. Let's hope I don't want to return this device. If you are gonna unbox yourself, try and be a little bit more careful. We'll need fingernails for that. So here is the tablet itself. Feels like, huh? What is that? It's did I really make all those smudges? I feel like this has been used before. Unless I'm actually making the smudges. I can't tell. I will never know. But here is the device itself. Yeah, it's very weird. Came with scratches, but you can smudge them away. Interesting. So people were saying that this would be hard to hold. I'm just holding this right now, and I think it's fine. To be honest, it doesn't feel that heavy. iPads are definitely heavier. Of course, I'm holding this for 5 seconds. You'll probably be holding for 5 hours. Reading books. So I don't know if I'm meant to remove this this layer here. I'm just going to guess and say yes, but I actually don't have the nails to remove this. Okay, maybe I don't need to remove it. Let's just hold the power button here. And okay, I still can't tell if I need to remove this, which is very weird. I don't know if I have a screen protector on. Let's just hope that this is how it is. I really can't tell, which is quite embarrassing. You can tell it's my first ever. Let's just assume that I'm okay. So we have this hello here. Activate your Kindle Scribe. I don't see any instruction for removing a screen protector, and the device here has that same texture in the picture. I'm actually looking at an instruction manual. This is interesting. Okay, you don't remove the screen protector. I think that's just a part of the device. Alright, so we have the pen itself. Here it is. Feels pretty good. I have a regular pen here. Slightly heavier. This does this work? Okay. You don't remove the screen protector. It's actually part of the device, apparently. But yeah, this is a regular pen. This is the Amazon pen. Interesting. Wow, that's a really nice texture. If I was writing on paper, that's how this would feel like. The erasing, I mean, yeah, that feels kind of synthetic, but what do you expect? Okay, so let's unbox the case next, because I do want this to be in a case. Got a little bit of dust there. Okay, nice little feature. It's a little ripped, but as long as the case is fine. I bought the leather one, 100 quid for a leather case, which is Apple charges less, so yeah, it definitely does not cost them as much as they're charging, which is weird because Amazon is the company who usually sells items at a loss so that you can get recurring revenue and you become a profit. So that's why I found this being 100 quid a little bit weird, but well. So it's blue inside, this grey texture on the outside. I definitely like this, how this looks. So let's plop this on. Has magnets, so it just comes on like that. Okay. Let's say I was actually going to hold this, I'm reading a book. Go like this. Yeah, okay, that works. Alright, let's go next. Select your region. Next. Okay, so when I bought this, there was an option to have it auto-link to your Amazon account. So I wonder if it's just going to auto-set up. I'm just concerned about, like, there's just this big gap between the screen and then there's this, like, yeah, you definitely don't remove that, like 100% you don't remove it, but if it's weird, it is, if you're someone like me, you would definitely try and remove it. So you have set up the Kindle Scribe first generation, so second gen is coming. You can set on this device, or if you have the Kindle app, and have the Kindle app. So let's set up on this Kindle. So when it said that you could set up the device automatically when you buy it, clearly that was not the case. Interesting. So the refresh rate is quite low. But I am not noticing 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi networks, which is interesting to say the very least. Let's rescan. Let's see. There we go. So that is the 2.4. So just enter in my password. Definitely do like how the screen looks, the paper screen. Although again, it looks like a screen protector with this side here. Let's go next. Okay. Oh, interesting. So they weren't lying. It did detect who I was, but I still need the password, which is, well, just great. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to enter in the password. We'll say this right now, if an Amazon employee is watching this, my password is 40 characters long from a password manager. So maybe when I'm on this screen, I can do some prompts on the Amazon app instead of typing in a 40 character password. That would be greatly appreciated. About 2 minutes later, I finally entered in the password. And if I did one character incorrectly, by the way, I would have had to re-enter in the password. So let's create the code to verify the account. Okay, so you need to enter in the password, then you need to enter in the verification code. Isn't that just great? Ain't that just great, So instead of just entering the code in the first place, instead I have to re-sign in, which I'm doing right now, and then I have to give another code, like, what was the point of any of this? What was the point of this? And oh, if you want to sign in on the phone, then you have to enter in another security code. They need to fix this, to be honest, because it's way too long. They need to work on that. I actually need to work on that. So we'll download a new update. Trying to figure out how you get the stand to work. While this is restarting, I just noticed something. This is why you may want to, read the instruction manual. So you can actually stand it up. It has a step-by-step instruction here. 1, 2. So it seems like you have to stand it up sideways. Is that the case? Or maybe the other way around. Let's flip it like this. Here we go. That's how you want it to do it. Does it have auto rotate? There we go, even has auto rotate. So if I was actually going to use this, I'd flip this around like this, and it does use magnets for the case. Hey, I mean, that's pretty cool. You could have this on your bed, laying, just have it upwards. But taking notes like this, yeah, I don't think I would be doing that. This is interesting. So Kindle Unlimited, 3 months deal. Try it free, pay later. Yeah. Let me just pay. Yeah, no, thank you. No, thank you. I'll have to look into it. Audible. Why? Can you listen to audiobooks on this? No, thank you. Okay, here we go. So I'm in the thing. Got the notebooks. Got the plus. Yeah, I don't think I would want a Kindle standing like this when I'm taking a notes. I'm sorry, but I don't think I would. I want it in the other angle. Well, you can do the other angle. I was just doing it wrong the whole time. Just go like that. Okay. Lay down. Yeah, that's more like it. That's more like it. But then you have the issue of you have to flip it again. If you wanted like rest up. So here we go. Create notebook. What this is, all these templates. Can't really see what you're doing, but I guess we'll find out later. So let's have a look at the responsiveness of this. Yeah, I don't need a tutorial, I'll figure out. Okay, so the refresh rate's low, but wow, it's like near the instant when you're using the pen. So that's not an issue. When you're actually using the pen, it's instant, basically. You then have this, it's a highlighter tool. So this button's a highlighter tool on a premium pen. And the eraser. Yeah, okay. It even has like, it's pretty good. I like this. I do like this. Again, I haven't used any alternatives. Like, I looked at the alternative, right? It costed slightly less, and then I just saw they wanted you to buy add-ons, and it was like 500 quid. And I was like, no, thank you. So I didn't buy it. I forgot the name of it, to be honest. But yeah, this has higher PPI, so it should be better quality. There are not many features at the moment from the reviews I watched, but they are coming in the future updates. So buy now, enjoy more features later, I guess. Yeah, I'm going to work with this. Alright, it's a pretty good product. I'll have a review out later, and be in the description or on a playlist. Bye bye.